Okay, 1776. 1 and 7 equals 8. 7 and 6 equals 13. 1 and 3 is 4. 8 and 4, Pluto. 1776. 7 and 7 creates 5. We now have 1, 5, 6. We could have 1, 5, 9, A, E, and I. 1, 5, 6 equals to 12. 1, 4, 7 equals to 12. Big deal. What do all these numbers say? 1776. 76 times 76, 5776. Big deal. Coincidence. 75 times 75 plus 75 plus 75 equals 5775. GE, General Electric, 2020 in numbers. Just says 2020. Forget about how I got it. It is what it is. Why? I'll tell you. 2020 equals to 40, but it's also 2929. It's also 2626. All zeros equal 6. First thing. 2020, I'm going to try and explain this to you, is 5 and 2 is 7. 7 and 0 and 7 and 0. So that's 2020, bringing it to all sevens, which says Egypt. At the same time, it's pretty simple. How do we get 29 when all zeros are equal to 6? It's pretty simple. Have you figured it out? Because 7 plus 9 equals to 16, 1 plus 6 equals to 7. So now we have 29 equaling to 58, and same he, 11, 11. Why? Because 2 and 9 is 11, and 2 and 9 is 11. 11, 11, 22, 22 to life. Plus and minus are multiplied, 0, so we're in the circle, multiplied 121, which creates the spirit of 55. In the BC world, 1 times 2, 1 plus 2 equals 3, 2 and 2, 3. 23 plus 11 is 34. 32 plus 11 is 43. Representation for hot and cold water, Barack Obama and JFK. 1776. How one number brought me to tell you all that I did. Now that we had 5775 or 5776, let's bring that to the seventh gate. We have 2001. All zeros equal 6 makes it 2661. 6 and 6 come together as 12. 1 and 2 is 3. We have now 231. 77 Christ times 3 equals 231. 210, which is adding 1 through 20, and 21, which is 130. Did I say that properly? I'm going to have to do that again. I said 132. I said 231. Is that what I said? 210 and 21. 21 is the cube. 21 is Father. 21 is the high sky to 8 and 9, and is repeated as alpha beta on the piano because the first 9 keys will repeat A, B, B, A. Forget about 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, because 1 and 2 is repeated again at 8 and 9. And 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, when you add them all together, it equals to 25. Nibiru, Earth's heart. And let's do it again. 3 and 4 is 7, and 7 is 14. 1 and 4 is 5. 3, 4, 5 equals to 12. 3 plus 4 is 7. Plus 5 equals to 12. Plus 6 equals to 18. Plus 7 equals to 25. 1776. 888 times 2. 444 times 4. 222 times 2. 592 times 3. 296 times 6, I think that was. 296 times 6. And I know this because I've done it over and over. And I'm going to do it over and over until my mind sees something in there. Like when I close my eyes and I do this, it's because I'm seeing it. I'm actually seeing it. And sometimes I'm not. But when I'm seeing it, when you're seeing it, when you have the number, when you have the vision, when you can see it, when you can taste it. Now, it's very, very hard, and it doesn't happen very often, right? But sometimes when your eyes are closed, when you dream at night, it's almost like you're vividly dreaming awake and seeing what you're saying. 1776. 1 times 6, 1 plus 6, 1 minus 6, all relevant to one thing, the moon. The moon, the moon, the moon. Representation by G&E, orphelin children. On the roulette, it's specifically marked on the roulette. It's telling us we're orphans to Morpheus. Morpheus and the orphans. Matrix. And if you don't think this is real, where do we get our imagination from? If life is eternal, what's so eternal about life if we can't bring our minds into the game? You tell me. I just picked some berries today. I picked 120 grams. They gave me $6. And then I went and picked 250 grams, more than 200% of the amount, and gave me 10. Is life fair? Thank you for watching this video.